Welcome back to another video. Soil here, and today I want to talk about parabolic SAR, which is a very useful indicator for identifying where a trend ends. Stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, here we go. We got parabolic SAR on the chart, as you can see, in the form of some points that trails price as the trend moves over time. Parabolic SAR was developed by Welles Wilder and introduced in his 1978 book New Concepts in Technical Trading Systems. In this book, also RSI, ATR, and ADX were included, that all are developed by Welles Wilder. Parabolic SAR is a versatile indicator with unique properties. It's a trend following indicator, and it's mostly used for identifying where a trend ends. The SAR in the name stands for stop and reverse, and as the name indicates, the indicator stops and reverses when the trend reverses. You can see that when the price is declining, the parabolic SAR is above the price action, but when the price reverses and changes its direction and advancing, the indicator goes below the price movement. As the name indicates, the parabolic SAR stops and reverses. The calculation of parabolic SAR is a little complex, and I don't intend to go into the formula and calculations, and in practice you don't need it because it's available on most of trading platforms and you should just learn how to use it for trading. Anyway, if you're curious on how it's calculated, or you want to develop an algorithm based on this indicator and you need the formula and calculations behind the scene, just simply search in the Google and you'll find it in many websites. Alright, now let's see how we interpret this indicator and how we can use it for trading. Parabolic SAR is a trend following indicator, and it works well when the market is trending. If the market is not trending, this indicator will be prone to whipsaws. It will produce false signals. So this indicator works well when the market is trending. When the price is declining, parabolic SAR follows the price action in the form of a sequence of points above the movement of the price, as you can see. And when the price is advancing, we have the sequence of points below the movement of the price. Actually, when the price is changing its direction and reversing, the parabolic SAR also stops and reverses. This reverse of parabolic SAR can be used as a signal that a reversal is happening and a new trend is starting, and we can enter a trade based on this. But this indicator is not usually used for this purpose, and it's more commonly used for identifying where a trend ends and trailing a trend as it's moving. As you can clearly see, parabolic SAR trails price as the trend extends over time. For example, when following a downtrend a reversal occurs and the price changes its direction and starts advancing, the parabolic SAR also stops paying in the top and reverses and goes below the price movement, and it follows the price movement like a trailing stop loss. As long as the price is advancing and the upward move remains in place, the sequence of points continuously rises. Parabolic SAR never decreases in an uptrend and rises as long as the price is advancing, and it exactly behaves like a trailing stop loss that will protect profit as the price is advancing. So one use case of parabolic SAR in practice is placing and moving your stop loss based on this indicator if you intend to have a trailing stop and protect your profit, because this indicator acts as a guard against the tendency to lower a stop loss. When the price stops rising and reverses, the parabolic SAR also reverses and goes above the price movement, and a downtrend starts. So when the parabolic SAR stops and reverses, actually goes above the price movement in our example, as you can see, it's a signal that this advancing of the price ended and we should exit our position. And we have the same for downtrends. Whatever I just explained for this advancing of the price and example of long position, we have the same for downtrends and short positions, but in the opposite direction. Parabolic SAR is a very simple indicator that trails price as the trend extends over time. It works best when the market is trending, and its effectiveness depends on the settings that must match with the underlying asset or the market that you're trading, which means that you must increase or decrease its sensitivity based on the volatility or characteristics of the market by adjusting the increment and maximum in the settings. And like any other tools in technical analysis. You shouldn't take your trading decisions only based on this indicator, and you must use it in conjunction with other tools and concepts of technical analysis. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.